Question 36. Given that a log of y base 10 minus 2 log x base 10 equals 1, we are to express y in terms of what? X, meaning making y the subject of whatever final solution I'll get from this. Now, I need to know that if I have the log of y base 10 minus 2 log x base 10 equals 1, there are various ways we can solve this. We can solve as an equation, transposing this to come to where the 1 is, transpose the 1 into a logarithm of log 10 base 10, which will be 1. Or I perform the third law, which will make your second term here have a power of 2 equals what? 1. So where is it? I think this is minus. So now this 2 is coming from here. So I will now see that subtraction of a log of the same base means that I have a log of y divided by what? X squared base 10, which is still equals to what? 1. So here we can translate from the logarithm to indices, as in the 10 carrying the 1 equals to the argument, meaning y over x square equals to 10 exponent what? 1, carrying that. But if I cross multiply, y will be equals to 10x what? Squared. 10 exponent 1 remain 10, so the value is what we have here as option B. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for 37 and 38.